How are you? I hope all of you are well. I am also well. Today, I am going to teach you Nepal, the land of Everest. I think all of you are familiar with Nepal. Nepal is a member of SAARC. Nepal is a very beautiful country. It is also called the temple city. Now I am going to read it loudly, so please open page number 71. Known as the land of Everest, Nepal is one of the most charming countries in Asia. The kingdom of Nepal is a small land of sublime beauty. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It is a country that is rich in scenic beauty and cultural heritage. Nepal lies between India and the Tibetan part of China. This small country has an area of 147,181 square kilometers. Southern Nepal is tropical lowland known as the Terai Plains. This part of Nepal has hot summers and warm winters. Here the temperatures reach up to 40 degrees Celsius in April and May, and monsoon rains drains this region from June to September. The central highlands, including the Kathmandu and Pokhara valleys, have a temperate climate and are also influenced by the monsoon. North of that is the slope of the main section of the Himalayan range. This part of Nepal has some of the highest peaks of the world, including Everest. Nepal is home to nearly 290 lakh people. The population is primarily rural. Kathmandu, the capital city, has less than 1 million inhabitants. Nepal's demographic features are complicated not only by dozens of ethnic groups but by different castes. In total, there are 103 castes and ethnic groups living in this small country. The two largest of such groups are known as Kshatriya and Bahan. Others include Magur, Taro and Tamang, Newar, Muslim, Gurang and Damai. About 48% of the people speak Nepali. Among other languages spoken are Maithili, Bhojpuri, Taro and Tamang. Now I am going to write down in the blackboard some vocabs and their synonyms. First I have written charming. Charming, its synonym is fascinating. Fascinating. Important, significant. significant. Important, significant. Scenic, of sight, scenic হলো of sight, একটা বাদ দাঁড়িয়েছে, scenic of sight. Treasure, wealth. Tropics, tropical, of the tropics, of the tropics. Drains, make wet. Make wet. Influence, induce. Influence, induce. Peaks, the top of a hill, the top of a hill. Rural, of valleys. Of valleys. Inhabitants, dwellers. Complicated, difficult. Look at the blackboard, what I have written. First, charming, fascinating, important, significant, scenic, of sight, treasure, wealth, tropical, of the tropics, drains, make wet, influence, induce, peaks, the top of a hill, rural, of valleys, inhabitants, dwellers, complicated, difficult. I request you to write it down in your exercise book. Dear students, look at the blackboard, answer the questions. Firstly, I have written what is the area of Nepal. Answer, the area of Nepal is 1,47,181 kilometers. What is Nepal known as? Nepal is known as the country of Everest. Where does Nepal lie? Nepal lies between India and Tibetan. Where is the Nepal situated? Nepal is situated in Asia. What is the name of the capital of Nepal? The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. I think all of you have written the questions in your exercise book. Our class is over. Our class is over. Your homework is the summary of the essays. I again thank you. Goodbye.